The sun kissed the sprawling landscape of Los Angeles, casting a golden glow upon the clear oak residence. This architectural gem, nestled amidst the verdant hills, was a testament to the timeless beauty of mid-century modern design. Under the skillful hands of Woods Dangaran, the home was reborn, a harmonious blend of past and present. The journey began with a vision to preserve the soul of the house while infusing it with contemporary elegance. The courtyard, a tranquil oasis, welcomed visitors, inviting them to pause and savor the moment before entering the abode. The interior, a symphony of light and shadow, unfolded, revealing spaces that were both intimate and grand. The moody den, a sanctuary of quiet contemplation, contrasted sharply with the vibrant formal sitting area, a space bathed in warmth and nostalgia. The heart of the home, the kitchen and dining room, was a culinary haven. The generous proportions and abundance of natural light created an inviting atmosphere, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying a leisurely meal. The seamless transition to the outdoor terrace further blurred the lines between indoors and out, inviting the California sunshine to flood the space. The private quarters, a sanctuary of tranquility, offered respite from the outside world. The main bedroom, a serene retreat, was adorned with custom furnishings and cabinetry, exuding a sense of refined luxury. The bathroom, a private oasis, framed breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and gardens, a reminder of the home's privileged location. Each guest bedroom, with its own private outdoor space, provided a peaceful retreat for visitors. The exterior of the home was equally captivating, a masterpiece of landscape design. The expansive retaining wall, adorned with an outdoor fireplace, created a cozy gathering space, perfect for stargazing or simply enjoying the cool evening air. The double infinity pool, a shimmering jewel, extended the backyard space, inviting residents to take a refreshing dip or simply relax by the water's edge. The lush pine trees and rolling hills, the true stars of the show, were framed by the clean lines of the home's architecture, creating a harmonious dialogue between nature and design. Clear oak, a testament to the enduring power of mid-century modern design, was more than just a house. It was a home, a place where memories were made and dreams were nurtured. By honoring the past while embracing the future, Woods Dangaran had created a timeless masterpiece, a legacy for generations to come.